You should choose one brand of power tools and stick with it. Here's why. Welcome to What's the Deal? Power tools are not just for carpenters and construction workers. Everyone can benefit from having a couple of useful tools around the house. A hammer and a couple of screwdrivers are a great start, but power tools can be incredibly helpful even if you're not super handy. And here's the most important part. You should find one brand of power tools you like and stick with it. Why? Because the batteries are often not interchangeable between brands. Plus, buying additional tools usually means you get additional batteries, and that means you won't be running out of juice mid-project anymore. You can simply swap out the dead battery from the tool you've been using for one that's been charging this whole time. Be aware that some brands of cordless tools don't have removable batteries. Don't buy those. They're not helpful and might as well just be a corded tool. And it's okay to have one brand of indoor power tools and one brand for outdoor machines like lawn care devices, since the batteries in those are usually much larger and won't fit in your indoor tools anyhow. I'm a huge fan of DeWalt power tools. They have a great balance of power and a lightweight form factor, and especially when you purchase them on sale, they can be a great value. For outdoor tools, I have bought into the Ryobi ecosystem. They have a solid runtime, enough for me to finish my whole lawn, including trimming and leaf blowing, and if the grass is extra thick one day, I can swap in a fresh battery and finish it up. Here's a tip. Black Friday is typically the best time to find deals on extra batteries, and be sure to check out Brad's deals for deals on power tools all year long. Click on the link in the description and be taken directly to Brad's deals to shop and save. Thanks for joining me on the latest episode of What's the Deal? If there's a topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you soon.